Attention all farmers and agricultural enthusiasts. Are you ready to elevate your farming game to new heights? Join us at NPower Farmers Cooperative for an exclusive 3-day seminar and training event tailored just for you. From August 5th to August 7th, immerse yourself in a world of knowledge, innovation, and community. Learn from industry experts, explore cutting-edge farming techniques, and connect with like-minded individuals. Unlock the secrets to boosting your yields, implementing sustainable practices, and streamlining your farm management. Dive into hands-on training sessions with state-of-the-art tools and technology that will transform your farming operations. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, there's something valuable for everyone at the NPower Farmers Officers Can Farm Seminar. Don't miss this incredible opportunity to grow, learn, and be inspired. Register now for 3 days of empowerment and enlightenment. Mark your calendars for August 5th, August 7th at the Nigerian Security and Civil Defense Corps. Secure your spot at NPower Farmers. ing/register. NPower Farmers, empowering farmers for a brighter future. See you there.